Well, it's raining outside, and Louisiana is a mecca for bugs. And what I tend to notice are a lot of roaches really driving up towards the house whenever it's raining. That's a normal thing. And we have pretty much year-round activity on roaches. However, today would be a great day to go ahead and take care of that. I have a kit that would take care of it for you for a year. It's only $40. Can ship it anywhere in the country. And I'll just explain how it works, because it's not like any other roach product that you've used before. Typically, we just coat our entire house with pesticides. This is more like using a scalpel. This is a bait plate station. We'll get back to that one. Let's look at these IGRs. So IGRs are basically birth control for roaches. They keep them from laying eggs. This helps the lasting of the kit to go the full year. These are tamper-proof bait stations. These will really activate whenever the roaches go back to their nesting site. These will rid you of the next 3 generations of roaches trying to establish behind your walls and nesting areas. You should put one in the kitchen, one in your bathroom. This is a gel paste, and you'll apply this in cabinets. You can apply it in crevices. It is safe around pets, it's safe around kids. So if someone does lick it up, because it's very tasty and it attracts not just roaches, but all sorts of things, it's okay. You insert the plunger here, you'll hear a pop, remove this tip, and you're ready to go. There's more than enough to do a large house. I've also included adhesives so that you can stick all of these items out of sight if you need to. After you apply everything, you should expect for all the roaches to disappear in 5 days. After those 5 days, you can monitor the population with this bait plate. Okay, so it's just a clear station. You apply some of this gel inside, and now you can see if you have some activity after that point. So in case if you forget any of this, or if you want just hard instructions, I have included some nice detailed instructions. I've spent a lot of time on these instructions to make this as simple and easy to install. It should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to install the kit, and you can expect a year free of roaches. When you compare it to any other contract service, you're looking at probably $300 to $500 a year. This is $45, and there's no smell. There's much lower exposure to both you, your family, and your pets to pesticides, because it's all bait driven. So we're counting on the roach's ability to find food, which it's very good at, to drive all of this stuff where it needs to go, instead of just coating the whole place with pesticides. So again, way more precise. I've been selling and making these for over 5 years, and everyone is coming back for these. They work very well.